So we just came back from the junkyard. We had to get a couple of stuff. The main thing was we got seat belts that are intact actually. Because of course, come check this out. Locked up. So let's get started on this, why don't we? All right, let's go. About vacuuming later. All set. Now we gotta move over to that side. So, same operation over here. Right in, and then you turn. Right there, it's good to go. And from the bottom, well, bottom plus almost the bottom half of the radiator support is already in. So we got that side, already bolted it down over here. That's all set to go. But while I have space over here, what I'm gonna do is place the fuse box holder over here, because as you can see, that one's all matched up right here. Where else? I mean, I believe at that corner right there, it's not hooked up right there. So I'm gonna get this out while I have the space, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the new / used one in. And here it is. Oh, looking way better than that one, actually. Let's just say that. So let's get to it. Let me throw that in there. Right, so I got the fuse box tray in, but there's one problem to this. It isn't the correct one. It isn't exactly the correct one, but it fits like it's supposed to, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. It's good enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's on there real good. It's not going nowhere. So I'm just gonna leave that as is. Probably change it around later on down the road. Who knows? But as for now, I'm just gonna leave it as is. But I'm going to go pick up one of these guys. This is what the headlight sits onto. So I'm gonna go grab one of these for the passenger side, because of course there's a piece of it right there and the rest of it is in crumbles. So let me go pick up that piece there, and then I'll come back and assemble everything. I said forget the parts store, and I went ahead and ran over to the junkyard to pick up this headlight brackets right here, which is pretty much gonna go right about right there, right in there. And then as far as this one, it's gonna go right behind the apron right here. So let me go ahead and get all this put together, so then I can start putting the top 3 pieces of the radiator support. So the passenger side, the middle over there, and then the driver's side over there, so then I can start putting all these wires together. So after, what do you call it? What was the last thing I was taking care of? Yes, I was putting the radiator support together pretty much. I put it together from the driver's side to the passenger side over there. That is all set, as you can see. And we got the middle right here. I mean, I'd say I should have painted it, but you know what? It's all right. It's okay. We'll just leave it at that. I mean, if anything happens to it later on, of course, that's when we'll take care of it. But in the meantime, that's good as is. Just got to be done with the car pretty much. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm gonna go ahead and come on over here, buddy. I gotta weld these 2 pieces together, just temporarily until I get a new reservoir. But in the meantime, this is gonna go right over here and just right there after I'm done welding it, just like that. It's gonna hold beautifully. All right, so let me get into welding this piece onto the what is it, Nick? The coolant reservoir? Yes, above, with the coolant reservoir. All right, so Nick being the first timer, I decided to let him handle this.
Yes,
how you feeling about this?
I mean, if you trust me,
all right,
I feel like I should be able to do it.
Sure, you know what?
I was gonna ask him to do it, but I was like, nah, I don't want to mess up. So what we're gonna do is weld this back onto the coolant reservoir.
Yeah.
And then pretty much hit it in a couple spots, you know. Not much to explain, just boop, boop, boop.
All right, let's get to it.
All right.
Get right into it, buddy. Get right into it. Let's go.
Right there. Yeah.
All right, ready for the next one?
Yeah, just
do it. Right in them holes. There you go.
Just trying to be steady. I got some shaky hands sometimes.
Alright, third one, middle one. Nick went ahead and put those two in. So now it's my turn to go ahead and put the top in. Alright, right about here. Hold on. Got both of the sides all set. Now, we're gonna just clip off the end pieces of these. What is it? There we go. Clip off the tails. This done. I hate this.
What's the process of what's going on right now?
Well, the process is, all right, so here's what we got going on. We got coolant hoses that had a piece of it broken off, like the piece of plastic broke off there. So these 3-ways over here that broke off right on into the hoses. I already took the old ones out and these are the newer ones. And then here they go. But this one, problem is, plastic piece broke off in it. There it is right there. I just gotta get it out, fish it out of there. Alright, so since I'm having a little trouble taking this out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw you guys on just the timeouts because this is taking quite a bit of time. I also pulled out this guy to just try to pull it out and whatnot, but
God damn.
I'm already tired of it, but just put him over there. Put him over there. Put him over there. We have the miracle. A miracle has happened. So I just went ahead and started screwing this thing in. Look at that. Look at that. That took a little bit of time.
That was in there.
Yeah, that was in there real good. Okay. There you go. You see that? You see that?
A little bit.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there.
There we go.
Easily pulled out. This thing was giving me a hard time. But now that we got all that set up, I could go ahead and continue combining all these together, just like that. And now all I gotta do is just bring these over. Now that one was easy. That one was easy. So, as I was just looking around for an alternative of how to heat this up real good, I came across that guy.
This?
Yeah.
Man.
Let me cook.
This thing is.
Let me cook.
If y'all don't know what that is.
When you don't got the right resources, sometimes come up with some ideas that are just a little bit, I don't know, wild. I don't know if they're wild. I don't know if this is wild.
There's a saying for it.
This is gonna work.
I can't remember it right now, but there's a saying for it like that.
This is gonna work. Come here.
This thing gets hot,
Oh,
man.
yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Yeah. Man,
Don't do this at home.
Yeah,
All right, don't
brave
do this
man.
at home at all. One bit, okay?
seriously.
Woo! That's nicely hot. All right, let's heat it back up. Let's go. Come on, move. It's not hot enough. It cooled down.
Watch where you're. Whoa.
That's where you're going.
Watch where you're going. my boy.
Nigga, I'm tired.
What about Lyle? We're up to some real janky
y'all
stuff
doing?
right now. It's not to heat it
Hey
up.
guys,
Good job.
he's back.
Like
He's here. Like he never left. Let's go. Well, we're melting this guy to go right back into its spot. Not back into its spot, but into its new home. I gotta shove it into its new home.
Oh, it's Black History Month.
Yes, it is.
That's the first thing he starts off with.
The first day of Black History Month.
I fell. Just know I fell. That's it.
What does that mean? Never mind.
That's me. Nice and hot.
Flip me back around.
Well, first I gotta call because I don't know how to order food. So she's gotta do all my ordering. You know, I'm a little slow up here.
We all have our moments.
Nigga, my moments is every single day. I ain't gonna lie. Them shits don't be ended. So, sure if I right or something, I don't know, man, but I give up.
He's really got a headache over food. I mean, hey, it's fair enough.
This guy's always got something to say.